How to set up a fault-tolerant Apache Kafka cluster. It's vital to set up a fault-tolerant Apache Kafka cluster. It ensures high availability, data integrity, and reliable message streaming. Kafka's distributed architecture supports fault tolerance. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform. It has high throughput and is highly scalable. However, building a truly fault-tolerant Kafka cluster requires careful planning and implementation. Kafka achieves fault tolerance mainly through replication. Data is copied across many nodes, brokers, in the cluster. Cluster planning and design. Before diving into the setup, proper planning and design of the Kafka cluster is crucial. This step is to decide on three things: the number of brokers, the data replication factors, and the partitioning strategies. Set up Zookeeper. Apache Kafka uses Zookeeper to manage its cluster and brokers. A Zookeeper ensemble needs at least 3 nodes to maintain quorum if any fail. Decide on partitioning. In Kafka, topics are split into partitions. These are distributed across brokers. Proper partitioning improves fault tolerance and parallelism. Plan the number of partitions. Installing and configuring Kafka brokers. Install Kafka. Download and install Apache Kafka on each broker server. Extract the package. Then, configure the server properties file to set up broker-specific parameters. Set up data replication. In Kafka, the replication factor is how many copies of data are in the cluster. Set a replication factor of at least 3 for fault tolerance. Implementing monitoring and alerts. Set up Kafka monitoring tools. Use Kafka Manager, Confluent Control Center, or open-source tools like Prometheus and Grafana. These can check broker health, partition status, and consumer lag. Regular maintenance and testing. Back up the Kafka config files, Zookeeper data, and metadata. Do this regularly. This will help you recover quickly from failures. Consider using tools like Kafka Mirror Maker. Upgrade and patch management. Keep Kafka and Zookeeper updated with the latest patches. Use the latest versions. New releases often include critical security fixes and performance boosts. Conclusion. In conclusion, setting up a fault-tolerant Apache Kafka cluster needs careful planning, configuration, and maintenance. The setup, from cluster design to testing, must be robust. It must be reliable. Every aspect of it contributes to a strong Kafka environment. You can build a fault-tolerant Kafka system for real-time data.